Imagine a ladder leaning on a wall. The height? The distance from the wall? The tilt. Trigonometry is the cheat code that ties them together. I'll make sin, cos, and tan feel obvious, then we'll level up to the stuff you'll actually use. Give me one number, the angle, and the rest becomes predictable. Picture a right triangle. Label the angle at the bottom as the. Opposite. Adjacent. Hypotenuse. Sin is how tall you are compared to your longest reach. Sin, the. Opposite. Hypotenuse. Cos is how far forward you are compared to your longest reach. Cos, the, she. Adjacent. Hypotenuse. Tan is tall versus forward. Tan, the, chi. Opposite. Adjacent. That's SOHK toe. Now, zoom out to the unit circle, a circle with radius 1 centered at the origin. Pick any angle thigh. The point where it hits the circle has coordinates, phi-us thou, sin thou. That's the definition. Cos is the x, sin is the y. Tan? It's sin, cos, which is the slope of that line. Why radians matter? On the unit circle, moving through radians means you traveled exactly the units along the edge. That's why derivatives and physics love radians. Level up, identities. Pythagorean, sin 2a plus kios 2a arth 1. Always. Tangent identity, 1 palos tantia arts s6 These let you simplify gnarly expressions fast. Inverse trig. Need the angle? Use arcsin, arcos, or arctan. If tan, the arf 0.75, thasi arctan 0.75. Watch your quadrants. Arctan gives you the principal angle, then use signs of x and y to land in the right quadrant. Real life, a drone 120 massers away sees a rooftop at a 35-degree angle. Height, tan 35 degree, 120, 84 meter. Or a ramp rises 0.4 meters over 1.2 meter. What's the angle? Tan, 3 ER 0.4 R 1.2. So the arctan 0.333, 18.4 degree. Evolved bonus, small angle superpower. For tiny the in radians, sin, the, cos, the1, the 2 to 2, tan, the. This is why engineers can estimate oscillations and waves quickly. Final take, sin is vertical, cos is horizontal, tan is slope. The unit circle makes them universal. Identities and inverses are your Swiss Army knife. Practice and your brain will lock this in. Your math professor saves the day again.